Today we'll be looking at a sandhill community located at Brandon Field Wildlife and Environmental Area in Jacksonville, Florida. Sandhill communities are characterized by widely spaced pine trees with a sparse midstory of deciduous oaks and a moderate to dense ground cover of grasses, herbs, and low shrubs. Sandhill soils are deep, marine deposited, often yellow sands, well drained, and relatively infertile. They are important for aquifer recharge because the porous sands allow water to percolate rapidly with little runoff and minimal evaporation. In Florida, sandhill occurs predominantly in the northern half of this state, extending south to Volusia County along the Atlantic coast with a disjunct occurrence in Martin County into Manatee County on the Gulf Coast. In the interior peninsula of Florida, sandhills are concentrated along but not restricted to high ridges. The canopy consists of longleaf pine and South Florida slash pine. You will find the subcanopy turkey oak, bluejack oak, sand live oak, and sand post oak. Herbaceous species often seen are wiregrass, bracken fern, wild buckwheat, narrowleaf silkgrass, sidebeak pencilflower, and snout beans. Turkey oak is a small to medium-sized, moderately fast-growing, short-lived deciduous tree. The much dissected leaves are variable in size and shape and have a phototropic vertical orientation to reduce moisture loss. Turkey oak develops an extensive lateral root system with age. Turkey oak at maturity ranges from 20 to 50 feet in height, but can be larger on good sites. Turkey oak grows in pure stands, in isolated pockets, and as a subcanopy within longleaf pine forests. The two most common overstory associates in turkey oak forests are sand post oak and bluejack oak. Turkey oak is too small on average to become commercially important, but hardwood is excellent fuel. Wiregrass grows on the Atlantic coastal plain from southeastern North Carolina to southern Florida and westward to Mississippi. Common herbaceous associates include Curtis dropseed, toothache grass, lovegrass, blue stems, and beakrush. Wiregrass provides primary cattle forage in recently burned pine flatwoods in Florida and Georgia. Following burning, it is grazed primarily in the spring, after which cattle shift to other grasses such as blue stems. An area is not burned for 2 to 3 years. Cattle do not graze wiregrass because of large accumulations of dead material. Longleaf pine, pineland wiregrass ecosystems have been reduced by as much as 98% since pre-settlement times and are considered endangered. Wiregrass establishment is essential for restoration of these ecosystems, yet little is known about wiregrass propagation. Research has shown that wiregrass can be regenerated from seed collected in natural stands 5 to 8 months after summer burning. This suggests that wiregrass can be reestablished by direct seeding or by transplanting container-grown material. Sandhill communities rely on frequent, low-intensity ground fires in the growing season to reduce hardwood competition and perpetuate pines and grasses to prevent a disturbance. In the absence of regular fire, the abundance and density of sandhill shrubs and small trees such as turkey oak, sand live oak, laurel oak, and sand pine can invade. The resulting dense woody vegetation reduces the herbaceous ground cover and consequently the fine fuels needed to carry low-intensity ground fires. Lack of fire may ultimately lead to the development of xeric hammocks, turkey oak barrens, or sand pine-dominated sandhill. In terms of management, sandhill communities are a vital habitat for rare animals consisting of more than 60 species of vertebrates and 300 species of invertebrates. Without proper maintenance, red-cocketed woodpeckers will abandon their nesting site if the midstory become too tall, and gopher tortoises cannot forage if vegetation is too thick or out of reach. Variability in the season frequency, and intensity of fire is important for preserving species diversity. Fire suppressed stands tend to be problematic to reintroduce needed prescribed burns. Invasive species consist of coggin grass and centipede grass.